Welcome back to 8-Minute English on the Learn English podcast. Last night, I had the weirdest dream. I was flying on a giant slice of pizza. Yes, pizza. And then a talking cat appeared. The cat told me I had to solve a riddle to land safely. And guess what? I woke up just as I was about to answer. So frustrating. But it made me wonder, why do we dream? Have you ever thought about that? Dreams are such a mystery. They can be funny, weird, or even a little scary. And in today's episode, we're diving into this fascinating topic. Why do we dream? We'll talk about what dreams actually are and some interesting theories about why they happen. And in the second part, we'll explore how dreams might reflect your emotions or even reveal something about you. Listen to the upcoming conversation to discover fascinating insights about what your dreams could be saying about you. And don't forget, we've prepared a free PDF in the description to help you review everything we discussed today. So, grab your favorite snack, get comfortable, and let's get started.
Christine, I had a really strange dream last night.
Oh, what was it about?
I was riding a giant cat through the clouds. It was fun but super weird.
That's so random. But it makes sense because dreams often reflect our thoughts or emotions in strange ways.
Right, but why do we dream in the first place?
Scientists aren't completely sure, but there are some theories. For example, one theory says dreams help the brain organize information and store memories.
So, like cleaning up your brain's desk?
Exactly. Another theory is that dreams help us process emotions, like stress or anxiety. It's like your brain is having a therapy session while you sleep.
That's interesting. What about recurring dreams? I sometimes dream I'm late for an exam, even though I'm not in school anymore.
Recurring dreams often mean your brain is trying to solve an unresolved issue. Maybe it's your subconscious reminding you about deadlines or responsibilities.
Oh, that makes sense. And what about nightmares?
Nightmares usually come from stress or fear. For example, if you're really worried about something, it might show up in your dreams as a scary situation.
That's not fun. Is there a way to stop them?
You can try writing down your dreams in a journal. It helps you understand them better. Reducing stress in your daily life also makes a big difference.
I might try that. Dreams really are more than just random stories in our sleep.
You can try writing down your dreams in a journal. It helps you understand them better. Reducing stress in your daily life also makes a big difference.
I might try that. Dreams really are more than just random stories in our sleep.
They're like messages from your brain, trying to tell you something important.
But what if I can't make sense of my dreams? Sometimes they're just so bizarre, like flying with purple elephants or talking to a giant clock.
That's normal. Not all dreams have a clear meaning. Sometimes they're just your brain being creative or processing random information.
So it's okay if I don't figure everything out?
The point is to pay attention to patterns or recurring themes. If you keep dreaming about something specific, it might be worth thinking about what it means to you.
Oh, like my recurring dream of being late for something? Maybe it's my brain telling me to be more organized.
That's a great example.
You know, this makes me wonder if dreams can actually help us solve problems. Like, could they show us solutions we didn't think of while we were awake?
There are stories of people solving big problems or having creative breakthroughs thanks to dreams. Like Dmitri Mendeleev dreaming about the periodic table.
Wow, so dreams aren't just fun. They can be useful too.
Next time you dream about something strange, don't dismiss it. It might just be your brain giving you a little gift.
I'll definitely start paying more attention to my dreams. Maybe I'll even find my own periodic table.
And who knows? Maybe one day you'll dream of those winning lottery numbers too.
I'll try tonight.
All right, let's dive into some interesting phrases from today's conversation. REM sleep. A phase of sleep where dreams are most vivid and your eyes move rapidly under your eyelids. Example: good REM sleep is essential for a healthy brain. Subconscious mind, the part of your mind that works without you being aware, often influencing your thoughts and dreams. Example: Your subconscious mind might bring hidden worries into your dreams. Recurring dream. A dream that happens repeatedly, often with a similar theme or setting. Example, I used to have a recurring dream about being late for school. Dream interpretation. The process of analyzing and finding meanings behind dreams. Example, some people believe dream interpretation can reveal your true feelings. Lucid dreaming. A state where you are aware that you're dreaming and can sometimes control the dream. Example, lucid dreaming lets you explore your imagination in a unique way. Now, let's think about this question. What's the most unusual dream you've ever had? For me, I once dreamed I was a superhero saving the world, but forgot my cape. Do you think dreams can help us solve problems in real life? Personally, I believe dreams can offer hints or new perspectives. Sometimes, you wake up with a fresh idea. Dreams are so mysterious, aren't they? One moment you're flying, and the next you're back in school taking a test. But have you ever wondered why we dream at all? Is it just our brain playing around, or is there something deeper? Scientists have been studying dreams for decades, and the findings are incredible. For example, did you know that dreaming might actually help you process your emotions and improve your memory? There's even evidence that dreams can spark creativity. Albert Einstein reportedly got some of his ideas from dreams. Oh, and don't forget about those strange recurring dreams, like being chased by something or forgetting your homework. What's up with those? In today's episode, we're diving into all things dreams, what they are, why we have them, and what they might be telling us. So, stick around as we explore the science, the mystery, and even the fun side of dreaming. And if you're curious about how to remember your dreams better, or what your dreams might mean, this episode is for you. Plus, don't forget to check out the free PDF in the description. It's full of tips and extra fun facts about dreams. Thank you for joining me, and I hope you learned something new and useful. Take care, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next episode.